Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldie. Guys, in today's episode, finally, I'm going to tell you there is a job opportunity for the IT sector. Yes, guys. There are so many people always asking me, sir, please tell us some opportunity for an IT sector. So guys, please watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm going to talk about the job opportunity which has come for IT sector and what is the qualification, how much experience required, everything in this video. And without wasting time, you should go ahead and apply for this job opportunity if you fit in all the criteria. So guys, without wasting time, let's start this video. Awesome. Before, there is an opportunity for in a IT sector. The opportunity is for IT technical analyst. Now the agency which is recruiting for it, it's airbornerecruiting.com. Now what is the website you need to go and apply for it? The website name is www.airbornerecruiting.com. Now who can apply? If you are an IT engineer, yes, definitely you can apply, but they are saying female candidates are encouraged to apply. They are specifically saying that female candidates are encouraged to apply. So female who are having certain degree, IT degree, please go ahead and apply for it. Now, what experience is required? They should know about MS Office, MS Outlook, MS Visio, and etc. Basic understanding of Microsoft Server operations and troubleshooting, strong PC setup and troubleshooting skills, excellent customer service skills, ability to express thought clearly and through in writing. Be at least 21 years. So your age should be at least 21 and about to apply for this opportunity. Now, able to speak, write and read English. Well guys, some other information, it would be great if you also have this. The company is saying if you have a 4 years degree in information technology or related field of study. So all this information you can read it out, like if you're already working on a cruise ship, if you have an system including VoIP, virtualization technology, computer network operations, Cisco network electronics and rest all, you please go ahead and read about it. If you are from IT sector, you will understand what this means, because I am from the retail sector, so I don't know much about it, but there is an opportunity. All I can tell you, if you have an experience in all this technology, please go ahead and apply now. As I told you where to apply, www.airbornerecruiting.com. So guys, this was the job opportunity about the IT sector. I keep making such videos and informing you about the cruise ship life. So what you need to do is please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon, because if you hit the bell icon, whenever I'm going to post a video, you will get a notification. And if you have not yet followed me on my Instagram, please go ahead, follow me on my Instagram. On Instagram also I update about the cruise ship life and beautiful reels about the cruise ship. So guys, that's it from me from now, and I will see you in my another video. Or then, bye from Cruising with Goldie.